Writing a column for digital media involves a mix of engaging writing, relevance to your audience, and adherence to the publication style and guidelines. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you craft a compelling digital media column. Understand your audience. Before you start writing, know who you're writing for. Understand their interests, preferences, and what they expect from the publication. Tailor your column to resonate with them. Choose a relevant topic. Select a topic that is timely, interesting, and relevant to your audience. It could be a current event, a trend, an analysis, or a personal reflection. Make sure it fits within the scope of the publication. Develop a strong angle. Your column should have a clear angle or thesis statement that grabs the reader's attention and sets the direction for your piece. This will give your column focus and coherence. Research and gather information. Back up your arguments or opinions with facts, data, or examples. Conduct thorough research to ensure accuracy and credibility. Use reputable sources and provide citations when necessary. Write an engaging introduction. Start strong to hook your readers from the beginning. Your introduction should provide context, introduce the topic, and generate interest in what's to come. Organize your thoughts. Structure your column into coherent sections or paragraphs. Use subheadings, bullet points, or numbered lists to break up the text and make it easier to read, especially for online audiences. Express your voice. Inject your personality and unique perspective into your writing. Whether you're informative, humorous, or opinionated, let your voice shine through to connect with your audience. Provide insightful analysis or commentary. Offer valuable insights, analysis, or commentary on the topic at hand. Go beyond surface-level observations and provide depth that adds value to your readers. Use clear and concise language. Digital media readers have short attention spans, so keep your writing clear, concise, and to the point. Avoid jargon or overly complex language that might alienate your audience. Include multimedia elements. Enhance your column with multimedia elements like images, videos, or infographics to complement your text and engage readers visually. End with a strong conclusion. Summarize your main points and reiterate your thesis in the conclusion. Leave readers with a memorable takeaway or call to action that encourages further engagement or discussion. Edit and proofread. Before sending it to the publication, review your column for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. Ensure that your writing flows smoothly and effectively communicates your ideas. Adhere to publication guidelines. Make sure your column meets the guidelines and requirements of the publication you're writing for. Pay attention to word count limits, formatting preferences, and any other editorial standards. By following these steps, you can write a compelling column for digital media that captures the attention of your audience and adds value to the publication.